I figured since it's been about 16 months since I purchased this couch, it was about time to do a long-term use review. Here are some things that I noticed, both good and bad. The material on the back of the pillows is really soft and thin. My dog routinely pulls these pillows down when I'm not around and paws at it until he can lay down in comfort. This has all but completely destroyed the back of these cushions. Thankfully, the front still looks fine. Given that my dog likes to lay on top of these pillows, the pillows have actually held up surprisingly well. They're not super indented and still very comfortable. Despite having Benji jump on and off the couch, there are no rips or tears in the fabric. The couch itself has gotten more comfortable over time. When it arrived, it was a little firm, and since our bumps have been sinking into the cushions, they've softened up quite a bit. Many others have said that they've had issues with the pull-out part of the couch. I pull mine out about 2-3 times a week and I haven't had any issues. I've even put it through a move and haven't had any issues after taking it apart, putting it back together again. If you made it this far into the video, please do hit that like button so we can get this video out to more people. This couch is considered a double. I would recommend buying a queen size bed sheet because a double bed sheet is simply impossible to get onto this thing on your own. I'll have links in the description below if you want to get some queen sized bed sheets for this thing. If you want to know more about this couch, then check out my original video here where I tell you all about my first impressions. And if you're looking to maybe ride a fun little scooter, then check out this electric scooter that I purchased on Amazon as well. And if you're into these short videos and reviews and things I buy and try, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, bye!